So in June of 2021, Paradox was contacted by a potential client with concerns that they had 24-inch ruts in their yard, very heavy loads in that yard. These issues were creating severe safety hazards. They were impairing the accessibility and inability to use the yard, as well as increased maintenance costs. So after a consultation and a site visit with the engineers from our partner Stratum Logics, it was decided that just fixing the localized spots wasn't going to solve the problem, that they actually needed to have some subgrade preparation work done and a new grading plan followed. It was determined after consulting with the engineers from Stratum Logics and working with the client that Paradox could provide a single layer of tough cell to solve the soft problems and provide the significant support that this yard needed. By utilizing tough cell, we were able to use the existing gravel that the client had in their yard already, recycling it and using about 20 to 30% new gravel, significantly bringing the cost down versus a conventional design. There were two major challenges facing Paradox and Stratum in this yard. One, the existing yard did not have proper drainage and a new drainage plan was going to be needed. The second was that there's a lot of vehicle traffic in this yard with weights ranging from 85 to over 120,000 pounds. And we needed to keep this drainage plan at a minimal elevation as possible. Once Paradox completed the project, we were on site to witness the equipment rolling in and see the first loads of 110,000 plus pounds driving over top of freshly installed gravel with little to no deflection observed by our Stratum engineers. With the efficiency of tough cell and the support from Stratum Logics, Paradox operations team was able to deliver a brand new gravel yard, meeting or exceeding the client's expectations.